This is our first series of Handyman that we're rolling out.
Yeah, we put the table together Tuesday with all these people. They all helped us. We all had a little different role to play in it, so it was excellent. It was a team effort. It's really good. It's a community build for the community, you know, for their benefit, so everyone can enjoy it.
It's nice to see their confidence built over this time.
Yeah.
Isn't
Yeah,
it?
the
Like
difference
they
we've made
had
to
just,
these people.
They were so shy and timid to start off with, and
Yeah.
now they're just so confident and they're wanting to
Have a go.
build more stuff.
Yeah.
When's the next series coming out? No, it's awesome.
So it's been great.
It's good.
Been great.
Yeah.